Check it out, guys. So today I am over here in Warrior, Alabama at the Home Place, and I'm going to be taking you through one of the coolest plans I've ever been in. So this plan is built by Deer Valley Homes. It is a front to back or an in-loader plan, so it's not going to run side to side like a lot of other houses do, more of the front to back. But where I'm getting at is a lot of times you will see those plans in a smaller square footage, not this one. This is a 76-foot box, okay? So 76 feet in depth. You do have a front porch and a back porch built into that, so this plan is well over 2,000 square feet. I have never seen an in-loading plan quite this big. Notice the off-white windows, kind of that almond window. Got the wood shutters here, as you see on the side there. Absolutely beautiful, huge vaulted front porch. I mean, how cool is that? Got three really elegant light fixtures hanging there. This one really sparked my interest when I saw it because I knew it would be a unique plan. You got the fiber cement siding here. This is not vinyl. Beautiful. All right, so when you open the front door, you're just like, whoa, look at the space. So you've got this massive living room right off the bat. Got this really cool modern fireplace built in with the wood trims. That opens up into your kitchen. From the cabinet color to the shelving, really cool stuff here. Got the quartz countertops, some solid surface tops. Notice how many windows are in that living room. So you've got 4 windows just in that area. Wow. All right, that is going to open up to what would be kind of your dining area. So no chandelier, just additional can lights. Notice the tall ceilings today. Love that. And then you've got an additional den type family room. Notice the 2x6 walls. The reason I know that is because these window sills are so big. And then you've got a covered back porch off the back. All built into that 76-foot piece there. All right, so this back bedroom is huge, number one. Now, something I noticed, I love how they've kind of got the makeup area there, or a spot for your dirty clothes. Notice the ceramic floor in the shower. So seems like all the videos I have kind of show that same old fiberglass pan, you know. So Deer Valley does have options to do the ceramic flooring in that shower, which is a really nice, kind of dresses that shower. Already very nice shower up, you know, it dresses it up even more. So let's go back out here to the main space. We're gonna go down here a little bit. On my left is that utility room. And then before you get to the kitchen, I just didn't go down here because I wanted to keep it going, you know, keep it moving. But right off of that first primary living room / kitchen area here is your spare bedrooms. So straight ahead, I've got bath 2. I love the transom window up above that tub shower insert. And then bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. All right, guys, so that is it for today. Again, we're over here in Alabama at the Home Place. Definitely want to check them out. This was built by Deer Valley Homes. Just one of the coolest one-level in-loading plans I have ever been in. Very, very cool. A lot of cool trim work from the wood on the ceiling there over the island, the end cap, you know, the ends on that island. Just really, really cool touches on this awesome plan. So thanks for clicking on this video, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Thanks.